This is my first reaction video for winning the Random Acts of Amazon Life in a Day video, and I believe the username is Rablaxlist, RL Blacks ST. So, anyways, thank you. I asked for a light board. It's quite a big box. I expected it to be a lot smaller, so. But I decided, I don't know if I'm doing an unboxing video right or not. It came in like 2 days, so I believe you have Prime. I highly appreciate it. Or maybe you are close to my area. Okay. It is open. It's my first time I ever won a well, no, in 9th grade I won a TI-84 calculator for school, but it's my second thing I've ever won in my life. Receipt thingy. Airbags were. I want packing peanuts back. I appreciate that more. Oh, okay. Enjoy the gift. Thanks for participating in contests. I enjoy watching you. There we go. It's a light table for making stencils and such, which I will be using for my studies and street art and stuff like that. Lightbox is the official name. But thank you very much. I highly appreciate it. I had a great time in the contest. I'll make sure to pay it forward. Yeah. Should I open it? I guess so. I don't know if that's like, if you guys. I sometimes am confused by the internet for devoting time to watching pointless stuff, but I guess watching me open a Lightbox box could be that as well. Looks like the UPS man didn't treat this all that well on the way over. Got little budges and stuff. Ooh. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, there are instructions now. I'm throwing everything everywhere. I shouldn't be doing that. Ooh. Ooh. You can see me take off the film. Everyone loves that. Okay. And let's see it work. Luckily I have an outlet right down by my feet. Oh wow, it's longer than I thought the cord would be. This is really sweet. Uh-oh. There we go. A little piece fell out. Well, not fell out, but you know. In and on button. There we are. Oh, ooh, sweet. That's great. Oh, there's like a dimmer setting. Awesome. I should probably read the instructions, but thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yeah. Have a good day.